guys, I'm Anupriya. Welcome to the show, Abhi the Conversation with Anupriya. Today I have my college professor in this special episode, and no one can describe her because she have an amazing teaching experience. She have always been an all-rounder student and a teacher, and she is a complete versatile person. So, in this special episode, you all will learn about how a single person can manage their finances, their personal life, and their professional life very equally. And this episode is very, very special because we spoke about multiple things. We spoke about the love life, the career, the dreams, the women empowerment, and the role of education, and everything which is covered. This episode is very informative, very knowledgeable, very exclusive, and extraordinary. I hope you guys will enjoy it, watch it till the end, and enjoy yourselves. Hi, Vima ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing super amazing. Thank you. So, how was the day?
It was great. I'm excited to meet you, of course.
After, I guess, 1 year?
Yes, of course. After
Yes.
1 year.
So, tell me, how's your life going on in ICG? Like, oh my god, मेरे तो best days थे. Apart from studies.
It's going good, but yes, lockdown की वजह से students are not coming.
Yeah.
So we are missing that part. Rather, the importance of students having them in front of you, वो मुझे अब समझ में आ रही है. I mean, it is like teaching a screen is not that motivating क्योंकि हमें बात करने के लिए नहीं मिलता.
Exactly.
Yes. So we don't get the response. आप कितना भी बोल लो, but students will not unmute themselves. आप कंटिन्यूसली एक ही स्क्रीन को पढ़ाते जा रहे सो वो मोटिवेटिंग सा नहीं लगता. ठीक है, बट आई रियली मिस माय स्टूडेंट्स.
Yes, and I miss you personally because आप शायद बहुत कूल टीचर थी जिन सब से मतलब मुझे जो सबसे ज़्यादा जानते थे और आई टॉक टू यू इन अ वेरी पर्सनल नोट ऑल्सो मेनी टाइम्स बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम स्टडीज बाकी तो टीचर्स देख रहे होंगे ना दे स्कोल्ड मी बैडली सो फ्रॉम हाउ लॉन्ग यू आर इनटू एजुकेशन प्रोफेशन
It's been almost 7 years.
It's a huge number. Yeah, so are you enjoying it?
Of course, I love it. And initially, when I completed my masters, so I joined this line. Then I got married. But still, I wanted to do this only because I love this. You know, this is something that gives me a satisfaction. And that is why it's been such a long time and I'm into teaching field only.
Okay, so like as we all know that you were always a great student in academics and now you have a great teaching experience. So why don't you start something by your own? Why you are working as a teacher in some university? आप खुद का क्यों नहीं start कर लेते?
Yes, I plan to, but it is like a setup stage for me. I am pursuing my doctorate also. So as soon as I finish with it, I plan to do something along with teaching, of course. Maybe I don't want to shift absolutely to something new as of now because I have my daughter's responsibility and she's growing. So I don't want to shift my attention absolutely to my career and neglect her in any ways. So maybe after some time I'll definitely do that.
But I really like it that you are thinking about your daughter. Most of the girls like the parents who are जो बच्चे करके छोड़ देते हैं और ध्यान नहीं देते हैं. And I have seen this thing so badly and their childs are so ruined badly. उनका इतना impact पड़ता है कि my parents are not giving attention to us and then they have insecurities and वो बाहर जाके वो खुशियाँ ढूंढने लग जाते हैं which is completely wrong और वो गलत directions में भी चल जाते हैं. So do you have also seen the same thing?
No, not with my daughter, of course.
Yeah.
Because मतलब she is our priority.
Okay.
Though yes, I love my career also, and I don't want to sit at home being a housewife. That does not motivate me. That is not my goal in life. But I have put in all my effort to give her the kind of attention and love she wants.
Yeah. Okay. So how do you manage your personal and your professional life equally? Like it's a big task to say it equally, but you do it.
मतलब एफर्ट तो बहुत ज़्यादा जाता है दोनों चीज़ों में. हम ये सोचे कि प्रोफेशनल लाइफ हम ले रहे हैं, करियर है. ऑफकोर्स मैं घर से ऑलमोस्ट 8 आवर्स आई एम आउट ऑफ द हाउस. सो इट इज़ नॉट ईजी. यू हैव टू पुट इन एन एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट. और फैमिली प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. मतलब आई गिव दिस क्रेडिट टू माई हस्बैंड एंड माई डॉटर ऑल्सो फॉर कोऑपरेटिंग विद मी एंड माई स्केड्यूल And yes, you do compromise on little bit. I cannot be there for them all the time, but yes, we have planned our life in such a way that we are together, and they support me. I mean, that is, I cannot do it all alone. So
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
they are pillars for me. And it's like you have to set your priorities, you have to manage your time. अगर मैं ये सोचूं कि मैं मॉर्निंग में लेट तक सो जाऊं एंड तब भी मेरा काम हो जाए,
That is not possible. So I'm
So everything has to be given importance, especially for my daughter. मेरे लिए वो बहुत बड़ी वो चीज़ है. मेरी mother ही working थी. I've seen her working since I was a child, and I never wanted कि मेरी job की वजह से वो suffer करे. वो हमेशा से from the time I had her was my goal in life कि कभी भी मेरी वजह से वो suffer नहीं करनी चाहिए. So the kind of arrangement that we have made for her, even at the time जब मैं घर पे नहीं होती हूँ, it is for the best of her, so that she grows and she should learn from me also. I mean, ये question आ सकता है कि if you think so much about your daughter, you should be at home and looking after her. But अगर मैं खुद घर पे बैठ जाऊँगी, तो I don't want other people to be her role model. I want me to be her role model.
Wow, that's super amazing. मतलब it's always good to see your mothers working hard, so that gives you motivation to work more harder than her, and then you balance your life equally कि हाँ हम काम में भी perfect हैं, and now we are balancing our personal life equally. Yes, that's so amazing. She is lucky, yeah. She's too lucky. So now it's a good question. Tell me about your love life. Like we all know that it's not an arranged marriage. It was a love marriage. पहले तो मुझे आप बताओ कि how do you manage to love someone and make a career priority? Both the things were at their priority only, but how do you balance it? It's very tough for me.
Well, like from the very beginning, we both were very clear. It is not about something that is a fantasy. Normally people don't consider love as something which is real. हम लोग हमेशा वो सोचते हैं जो हम मूवीज में देखते हैं, बट वी बोथ वर वेरी क्लियर अबाउट व्हाट वी वांट फ्रॉम लाइफ. एंड हमने एक दूसरे को वी मेट इन कॉलेज एंड वी सपोर्टेड ईच अदर प्रोफेशनली. हम लोग साथ में तो शायद हार्डली 6 months वी वर टुगेदर व्हेन वी वर इन कॉलेज. देन ही वेंट फॉर हिज जॉब एंड आई वाज परस्यूइंग माय स्टडीज. एंड कभी भी ये नहीं हुआ कि वी कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड ऑन एनी ऑफ द एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ आवर लाइफ जस्ट टू बी विद ईच अदर. Be it our parents, be it our studies. Rather, I think we both did better being with each other.
Wow, that's fantastic. That's fantastic. But कहते हैं ना कि like those are the strawberry days before marriage. You had your life. Oh wow, इतना caring, सब कुछ इतना मतलब आपको ऐसा लगता है कि दुनिया में सारी टेंशन ही हमें मिल रही है. So tell me, is it true? मतलब अभी तक भी same है चीजें या
Of course, see, things change. अगर मैं बोलूँ मैं 100% अभी भी अटेंशन उनको देती हूँ, पॉसिबल ही नहीं है ना. आई हैव माई करियर, आई हैव माई डॉटर, अब घर भी है, मतलब यू हैव एवरीथिंग. तो वो चीज़ एक्सेप्ट करना कि ना तो आज मैं उनको वो टाइम दे सकती हूँ, ना वो मुझे इतना टाइम दे सकते. बिकॉज ये जो वर्ल्ड है ये भी हमारा है, चाहे वो मेरा प्रोफेशन है या वो हमारी डॉटर है या वो हमारा घर है. एवरीथिंग इज आवर्स. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि हम दोनों ही ये फील नहीं करते, बट येस वी मेक इट अ पॉइंट कि हम जितना भी टाइम स्पेंड करें दैट इज क्वालिटी. I mean, we know we are attached to each other and we love each other. और हर वक्त वो pampering, all the time messaging और being on call possible ही नहीं है. And we both accepted. I mean, we have never felt कि वो चीज़ नहीं है, कभी भी नहीं ऐसा हुआ.
Yeah, so मतलब that's what the growing into a relationship.
Yes, that is growing.
Yeah. So the bond is the same. Things have never changed, but the love which you guys have is something amazing. Yeah, that's amazing. मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों को ऐसा देखा है, and कहा है मुझे बहुत सारे लोगों ने whether it would be a love marriage or arranged marriage कि अनुप्रिया things never remain same. मैंने कहा नहीं, it's not possible. आपने उस इंसान से तो प्यार किया था, तो वो बदला तो नहीं है ना. But it's up to us. How do we deal?
अगर हम अंडरस्टैंड ही नहीं करते उस सिचुएशन को, वी फील नहीं like the way things were before marriage कि all the time you are into each other and हर वक्त मैसेजिंग कॉलिंग ये वो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. You need to give the person space to grow, right? वो important है. अब हम सिर्फ we are not boyfriend girlfriend, we are husband wife, we have a family, we have a daughter. तो हम वो mutually उस चीज़ को, हर responsibility को share करते हुए we are living our life. That is important.
Yes. So tell me, जो आजकल का जो ये लव चल रहा है air में, love is in the air, love is everywhere. So do you believe in that? Like
No, I don't think so. I do not. मतलब आजकल जो है वो नहीं है. That is not love.
it's playing.
It's flame. It's not even infatuation.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
It is just time pass. Maybe the world is such. You have your peer around you. आप लोगों को देख के आपको लगता है कि okay मेरे साथ भी कोई होना चाहिए, kind girlfriend boyfriend type of thing. And you want to show off to the world. पर कहीं पे भी आपके फ्यूचर में वो लोग होते ही नहीं. आई डोंट थिंक कि शायद वो 3-4 महीने बाद भी सोचते होंगे कि वो लोग उनकी लाइफ में होंगे या नहीं. नो, सिर्फ आज प्रेजेंट के लिए दे फील गुड गोइंग आउट विद दैट पर्सन तो वो चले जाते हैं. अदरवाइज फ्यूचर में आई डोंट थिंक वो कभी सोचते हैं. हार्डली देयर वुड बी 5 to 10% आज का जो यूथ है, दे वुड बी थिंकिंग अबाउट हैविंग द सेम पर्सन विद देम इन फ्यूचर.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. So, what learnings do you give to your daughter in aspect of the love life? Because it's now she is into coming, she's growing,
Yeah.
she's coming into the teenage very soon. I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, she's 10.
Yeah, she's 10. So obviously, children are aware of such kind of things, you know, and at that age they started feeling for opposite person also. कि ये मम्मा मुझे ये अच्छा लग रहा है, ये अच्छा लग रहा है. So is she open up with you or?
I mean, till now, she is not that open. Not because we are not open to her, but she's a very innocent child that way. And we have been very open about being friendly with boys and girls. I mean, both of us have never created कि okay, boy and a girl. That difference is not there in front of her. So अभी वो चीज़ उसके अंदर नहीं आई. So उसके लिए बराबर है. चाहे वो boys हैं, चाहे वो girls हैं, they are friends for her as of now. Maybe in future if something like that happens, I would love to be frank with her. So that वो मुझे आके बताए, whatever she feels. Of course that is natural और वो चीज़ accept करना कि वो natural है, वो attraction हो जाता है. That is what things come up with. So I want कि वो मुझे मेरे साथ करे और मैं उसे वो comfort level दूँ. Of course वो मेरी तरफ से आना चाहिए पहले.
Exactly. Yeah.
So ताकि वो मेरे साथ comfortable हो. That is something very new for her. और उस एज में बच्चे खुद नहीं समझ पाते how to deal with those things.
Exactly.
अगर पेरेंट्स का सपोर्ट होगा, पेरेंट्स मेक इट कंफर्टेबल फॉर द चाइल्ड टू टॉक टू देम, तो डेफिनेटली वो चीज़ आप.
Yeah, exactly. और अभी से ही आपको उसको सिखाना पड़ेगा कि बेटा start telling me because it's bad thing if she'll hide it from you
That is
and then
wrong.
आपको बाहर से पता लगेगा. So yeah. So what values does your mother give it to you and you want to pass it to your child, like जो उन सबकी मम्मियों ने सिखा दी as a woman? एक तो हमारी सोसाइटी इतना मतलब मेजर रोल प्ले करती है कि आप औरत हो तो आपको कॉम्प्रोमाइज तो करना ही पड़ेगा.
हाँ, कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना पड़ेगा, आपको सारी चीज़ें भी परफेक्टली करनी पड़ेगी.
हाँ, multi talented.
Yes. So if you say that multi talented or you are doing everything, I have seen my mother doing it, and maybe I draw my inspiration from her only. That is, and जो मैंने उनसे सीखा कि never compromise your own dreams for anything. आप मतलब she was working, she was into ladies clubs and she was she was the president and all, and वो सब चीज़ें करती थी. तो ये नहीं है कि उन्होंने किसी अपनी ड्रीम्स को करके अपनी लाइफ मतलब बाकियों के लिए कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ किया. शी डिड एवरीथिंग टुगेदर, और वो बहुत ज़रूरी है क्योंकि अगर मैं खुश नहीं हूँ, ठीक है, आई एम पुटिंग माई ड्रीम्स एट द बैक बिकॉज ऑफ फुलफिलिंग माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, दैट इज़ नॉट राइट. ठीक है, तो क्या होगा अगर मैं खुश नहीं हूँ तो मैं किसी को भी खुश नहीं रख सकती.
Exactly.
कुछ टाइम के लिए मे बी ओके आप कर रहे हो बिकॉज पीपल वॉन्ट दैट फ्रॉम यू, लेकिन लेटर ऑन इन लाइफ दैट विल अल्टीमेटली अफेक्ट योर हेल्थ, योर फैमिली, योर रिलेशनशिप, सब कुछ अफेक्ट होता है. सो इट इज़ बेस्ट कि यू ड्रॉ अ बैलेंस, आप अपनी ड्रीम्स फुलफिल करो. दैट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन लाइफ, एंड यू टेक योर फैमिली अराउंड. दैट इज़ द बेस्ट थिंग टू डू. और मैं अपनी डॉटर को भी यही वैल्यूज देना चाहूँगी कि नेवर एवर पुट एनी ऑफ योर ड्रीम एट द बैक सीट. रादर मुझे तो ये भी नहीं है कि मैं एजुकेशन में हूँ या मैं आज आई बी अ डॉक्टर सून सो आई वॉन्ट माई डॉटर टू स्टडी. नो, वॉट एवर शी वॉन्ट्स टू डू, जस्ट फुलफिल ऑल योर ड्रीम्स एंड गो आफ्टर देम. टेक योर फैमिली अलॉन्ग विद यू, येस, because we are with her. I mean, मैं तो ये भी बोलती हूँ, she wants to do pottery also ना, let her do that. I want her to do anything that she wants to. उसकी कोई भी ड्रीम, जो भी मन में कोई भी इच्छा होती है ना, वो नहीं ऐसी अनफुलफिल्ड रहनी चाहिए. We are there to support her and just do the best that you can and the good will come to you. That is what my parents have taught me. We have never been taught कि वो ऐसा हो जाएगा या पंडित और ये वो नहीं, they said अच्छा करोगे तो अच्छा होगा.
Yeah, so that means you're a believer in the karma, right?
I do, yes, of course.
Oh my god, so that's one thing common in us. Yeah. I am also a karma believer. So are you into spirituality by any chance? Like,
I believe in God.
okay.
I believe there's a force, there's a power that controls you. I may not be worshipping an idol all the time, मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं रोज मंदिर जा रही हूँ या मैं रोज दिया जला रही हूँ, but yes, I pray every day. The moment I step out of my house, I don't know how, or it has been inculcated in me from the very beginning.
Yeah.
Yes, I say my prayers. The moment I go to my workplace, I say my prayers. Or before just sleeping, I say my prayers. So that is not something that I show to anybody. या मैं कि दिया जलाना है, पूजा करनी है, आरती करनी है, no.
No, yeah.
It is within me, and I don't think कि मुझे my connect with God is such कि मुझे उन्हें ऐसा सब करके नहीं, I don't want to make him happy. He knows I'm connected, and I rely on him a lot. Yes.
Yeah, so that's very beautiful thing, and even I believe that कि लोग इतना कहते हैं कि फास्टिंग कर लो, मंदिर चले जाओ, पूजा कर लो, ये चढ़ा दो, वो चढ़ा दो, बट अगर आप वहाँ पे रह के भी कॉन्सेंट्रेट नहीं कर पा रहे हो, then how are you spiritual person? I don't get this thing. So it is very important कि आप कहीं पे भी हो, just worship, just pray, and just remember that he is with you and he will be with you always. So my next question is super amazing. Tell me the secret. No, not me only, to the audience. Tell us the secret of your skin. How do you manage to look so gorgeous all the time? Like, I really need to learn a lot skin tips from you.
See, maybe I'm blessed with a good skin.
Yeah.
I mean, I got it from my parents, of course. And initially, I never thought of taking care of it. But there are a few things. वो unknowingly मेरे एक routine में आ गई, and later on I realized कि they actually have a good benefit. Like always keep your skin moisturized. I don't know how much people will believe in it, but I have never invested in costly cosmetics and all. Just the basic ones. I always use rose water on my skin the moment I wash my face, so that is the first thing that goes on my face. Aloe vera, I love to use that. And any kind of moisturizer, whichever suits your skin. So that is the only thing that I do. Nothing else. That's
Are
it.
you sure?
Yes.
Oh my god.
You can take a tissue paper and just see what I put on my skin. There's nothing except this. And this is a routine every day. It is 365 days. This has to be on my skin. That's it.
Yeah, so because you're following it from so long, so
I
this
have
is
been,
showing
yes,
you
maybe
from
from college
college.
time. Yes.
Yeah.
That initially I did it unknowingly. Now I know that it has a benefit, so I do that.
it.
Yes.
Yeah. So I believe that you are a beautiful soul from inside also. So that reflects outside also, because कहते हैं ना कि आप जैसे अंदर होते हो वैसा ही बाहर आपके निखरता है. तो वो ग्लो तभी आता है जब आप अंदर से भी खुश होते हो और आप अंदर से भी बहुत खूबसूरत इंसान होते हो.
Thank you. That's a big compliment.
Yeah, you deserve it. So, best and the worst part of being a teacher.
Okay, best is you get to live with people who are young, and I love to do that. I don't know about others. For me, going to the class or being with my students is not a job, right? And I have never worked for money, and it is just my satisfaction. And the best part is going and interacting with my students. I mean, you have been my student.
Yeah.
And it has never been कि मैं गई and एक topic लिया and कट पढ़ा दिया and class से चले गए. That has never been me.
Yeah.
I mean, my class starts with a bit of interaction. अभी भी I make it a point कि चाहे मैं informal, मतलब it is on e-platforms, but we interact a bit and then we start off. And that is my energy, वो मुझे अपने students से मिलती है. And worst part is when I see them go. You form a bond, and after like almost 3 years they are gone. So I hate that part. Otherwise it is amazing. I mean, being with young people, they give you the energy. I feel I reconnect the time when I was in college, and yes, the teachers that I had, उनका influence बहुत है मुझ पे, और I want to be like them. जैसे वो मेरे साथ frank थे. One of my teachers, she's like my mother, and अभी भी after so many years we interact maybe every month. I mean कुछ भी होता है अभी भी मैं उनसे बात करती हूँ. So I want my students to connect with me that way. और कहीं ना कहीं you get those things back. The respect that you get from your students is the best.
Yes, absolutely amazing. Because I have also been a teacher. Like आपके level पे नहीं, but मैंने college में start किया था. I started taking tuitions randomly, very randomly. But now I'm still connected with my students and they showed me results. मतलब मैं जबकि अच्छी नहीं थी, but yeah, they showed me good results. So I also feel very lucky to have them क्योंकि वो सारी बात मानते हैं, वो बहुत अच्छे से behave करते हैं और एक अच्छा connection बन जाता है teacher और student के बीच में. So it's very good.
Abhi, like I see you, and when you see your students growing, you love it. Trust me. मतलब आपका थोड़ा सा contribution इतने सारे लोगों की life में रहा है, and that is the best thing that I feel I can do to someone.
Yes, yes, absolutely. So tell me, who is your role model?
If you talk about somebody near me, of course my mother is my role model.
Yeah, so she is.
Well,
yeah.
she is because ऐसा नहीं है कि वो मेरी mother है इसलिए as a lady she is my role model. मतलब आज भी ऐसा हो सकता है कि at times I say I cannot do this is difficult for me. मेरी mother आज भी हर चीज़ के लिए she is there, she is stronger than me even today. She is determined, more determined than me. So she is my role model in any case.
Wow. Okay, so where do you see yourself in next 10 years or 5 years?
I see myself maybe having my own business. Yes.
Yeah, so finally.
Yes, definitely. I always aspired to be one. So it is just that, it is a kind of a balance that we are trying to create at this time, since I have other responsibilities as well. But ultimately, that is my dream, and I'll fulfill that for sure.
You must be. So imagine yourself being into an arranged marriage.
I don't know.
मतलब एकदम से आप सो के उठो और आपको realize, oh my god, this is the person I don't know of any bit of it.
It is very difficult.
So how would you react at that time?
I don't know.
तो सपने में भी अगर आप ऐसे सोच के how
It is of course बहुत मुश्किल है. I mean, absolutely unknown person,
Yeah.
and you're sharing your life. अगर सब कुछ ठीक है, you gel together well, okay. Of course, arranged marriages are good. But the problem comes when the person would not understand you. Maybe like I want to have a career of mine, and the person says कि नहीं हमारी family में काम नहीं करते हैं, so you are not going to work. So that will be like a shock for me कि अब मैं कहाँ जाऊँ. And marriage is something that you cannot walk out. This is an arrangement for life. तो वो तो बहुत बड़ा एक हो जाता है कि भी अब क्या होगा, how your life is going to be. तो I cannot even imagine कि ऐसा कुछ मेरे साथ हो. But yes, अगर arranged marriage में you get somebody जो आपको समझे और आप उसे समझो, then of course, I mean ultimately it is marriage. That is important. वो love है या arrange है, that is not important. आपकी understanding important है. So any kind of marriage is good. That's it.
Okay. So my next question to you is best part of being a woman. Do you ever thought in your life कि यार मुझे woman नहीं यार मुझे man बनना चाहिए था, काश ऐसा हो जाता. मतलब मैं तो ऐसा सोचती हूँ कितनी बार.
Situations होती हैं at times, yes. छोटी छोटी चीज़ें होती हैं, like going out late at night, maybe going out alone somewhere. ये नहीं है कि हमारी फैमिली हमें रोक रही है at certain points. Yes, कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं, but वही ना बैक ऑफ द माइंड सिक्योरिटी. आप रात में अकेले बाहर जा रहे हो, या आप अकेले कहीं पे भी जा रहे हो, या कभी ऐसा होता है कि कोई कॉन्फ्रेंस है, मुझे कहीं जाना है एंड आई हैव टू गो देयर अलोन. तो कहीं ना कहीं फैमिली के और उनके कि अच्छा अकेले जाना. At that point, yes. Otherwise, I am happy being a woman, and I think we are privileged to be a woman.
Yeah.
I mean, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, dressing up, everything, and I mean, being a superwoman kind of a thing. I mean, सब कुछ कर रहे हैं. We are doing everything.
Yeah.
We are able to do that. That is good.
Okay. So imagine आप एक दिन सो के उठ रहे हो और आपके साथ में एकदम 10 बच्चे आपके
My God.
या 10 puppies जो भी आपको पसंद है. How will you react on that situation? And everything is just messed up.
Oh,
Because I know you are very much into cleaning.
Yes.
Everything is well settled, everything is
Yes.
very clean. And imagine waking up to this. Oh.
I can tell you, my daughter, she would be the happiest person. I mean, she would jump and she would love me for having so many. I don't know about kids, but yes, for having dogs. She is a dog lover. But as far as I'm concerned, yes, I will be like horrified to see so many things. And so, kids also like I'm good with one, ठीक है? And that too, अब वो बड़ी हो गई है, so she can handle some things and she understands कि okay, mama wants this thing to be like this, इसको नहीं छेड़ना है. So आपको जो खेलना है that you do in your own room and हर चीज़ को आप खराब नहीं कर सकते. So now she understands, and having छोटे babies and puppies, it will be like a horrifying situation for me, and I don't know कि मैं उसको कितनी देर तक handle कर पाऊँगी. I cannot even imagine that. It was very difficult.
Okay, so tell me, like you are a very successful woman, and I was going through a lot of things related to you. क्या ऐसी चीज़ है जो आप सुबह उठते ही करते हो और रात को सोने से पहले करते हो? Because do you believe in manifestation or law of attraction?
Yes, of course.
बट ऐसी कोई भी चीज़ जो आपकी बहुत पहले से कंटिन्यू हो रही है और वो बहुत बेनिफिशियल है, दैट्स अ सीक्रेट, सो यू हैव टू रीड अ सीक्रेट जो आप सुबह करते हो और रात को भी करते हो.
The first thing that I do in the morning is to play music.
Okay.
And that is, one song has to be, you know, anything that is spiritual kind of a thing. I love to start the day with a positive mood.
Yeah.
And that is to have some chants or any kind of music that is related to God. And then any music I love romantic music. Yeah? So from the time I get up till the time I'm in college, so that music is a part of my life. And otherwise also, like, we both love music. और रात में भी सोने से पहले. So that is one thing that I do.
Okay, so that I can say that it inspires you, it keeps you motivated and cheerful all the time, because वो चीज़ हमारे दिमाग में अक्सर रह जाती है जो हम सुबह करते हैं और जो हम रात को करते हैं. Okay, so one advice what you want to give to my listeners, to my audience, जो आपने सीखा है.
Okay, for the girls, of course, please don't waste your time. After things that will not matter to you after some time, have a life of your own, have some dreams, fulfill them. And being independent financially is very important. हम किसी भी तरह की फैमिली से आते हैं, हमारी बैकग्राउंड कितना भी अच्छा है, but someday you will realize it gives you so much of confidence, makes you feel complete. So do anything, चाहे आप घर से कर रहे हो, जो भी आपको खुशी देता है, just do that. And there are certain things which being into this profession, I have seen youth indulging in things. Maybe it's some kind of bad habits, drinking, smoking, and drugs, very common. Please stay away from it. Your health is what you have. Your parents have a lot of dream. I can tell this from both perspectives, being a parent and being a child. Please don't do anything that can spoil your life, and enjoy life, and just go after your dreams. That's it.
Thank you so much. It was amazing talking to you, Vyoma ma'am.
Thank you so much.
You have always inspired me as a woman, as a teacher, as a human being, because आप बहुत you start, मतलब आप एकदम से चिल्लाने नहीं लग जाते, प्यार से you make understand, and that's what the best part which I learned from you, because I was the kind of person who used to shout a lot. I think I still do that, but now looking after you is कि ठीक है प्यार से भी चीज़ें हो सकती है, so why not that? But yeah, it was super amazing having you, and बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे आपसे बात करके. It was so intellectual, so kind, so generous, and thank you for being a part of this show. I will be posting all of her social media handles and description, email ID. If you need any kind of academics issue or anything related, if you feel like talking to her, just message her and she will be there for you. And thank you so much, guys. Love.
Thank you.